Namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel EduTech Stars. Firstly మన ఛానల్ని ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకుంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. Right. So in today's session we are going to learn the basic concept of machine learning. So without any further delay, let's get started. So now we'll just go through the definition of machine learning. So what is machine learning? The use of development of computer systems that are able to learn and adopt without following explicit instructions by using algorithms and statistical models to analyze and draw inferences from patterns in data. This is called as machine learning. We'll just go some thorough concept of what is machine learning. What is machine learning? So let's say we have a picture and we need a program to tell us if there is a banana in this picture. Traditional programming requires humans to define set of instructions to recognize a banana. This would require tons of code and leave a plenty of room for error. With machine learning, we just need a data and a tons of data to be precise. So lucky for us, thanks to the internet and smartphones, we have tons of data. In machine learning, instead of following hard-coded instructions, a program can learn data or adopt its behavior according to experience. We can divide machine learning into three broad categories: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, we need to provide a data set labeled samples of training data. The program will analyze them and should be able to correctly determine labels for new data. This technique is used for examples in speech recognition. Unsupervised learning is used when we have unlabeled data. The most common unsupervised learning method is cluster analysis. It is used to find hidden similarities, patterns, or groups. Unsupervised learning methods are used, for example, in bioinformatics for genetic clustering or face recognition. And last but not least, reinforcement learning. This technique is like teaching your dog a new trick. You provide the program feedback in form of reward or punishment based on which it can determine ideal behavior or strategy within a specific context. This can be used to teach the program to control robotic arm. So I hope you guys get some clarity about what is machine learning. This is just a basic concept what I want to teach you. So if you are interested, just drop me a comment in comment box so that I can make some further videos and upload it on YouTube. And please do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates.